Greetings. Today we are going to study about artificial hybridization. Hybridization is the act of breeding between two different species or genera which ordinarily are not interbreeding. So, we are going to study how this breeding is carried artificially in angiosperms. Before that, we need to know about the pollination, which is a process of transfer of pollens from anther to stigma. For successful pollination to occur, pollen and stigma should be compatible. Incompatibility leads to rejection of pollen grains. Therefore, artificial hybridization was developed so that a plant breeder is able to cross a particular plant with desired pollen. In artificial hybridization, only desired pollen grains are used for pollination and fertilization, or only desired pollen grains are introduced to stigma through pollination. This helps to avoid unwanted pollen rejection and it also saves the time this way. Here is the procedure of artificial hybridization. First comes the removal of anther of bisexual flowers using forceps. Then this flower is covered with the plastic or butter paper. Sidewise, mature and viable pollens are collected from the male plant. Selected pollens are then dusted on stigma. Then these flowers are rebagged and allowed to develop the fruits. This way, desired seeds are obtained. Let us see how we do it. The first step is emasculation. What is emasculation? The removal of anthers of bisexual flowers without affecting the female reproductive part. And when we do it before the anthers mature. And if a plant is monoecious, then only the male flowers are removed. Then there is no need of emasculation. Second step is bagging. We bag the emasculated flowers. These emasculated flowers are immediately enclosed in a bag to prevent the pollination by unwanted pollens. Then sidewise we do the pollen collection. Mature and viable pollens are collected from the male parent. The bag is opened. The pollen grains are dusted on the stigma. So this way we have dusted the stigma with the desired pollens. Then after doing this, we rebag it. Flowers are rebagged. Why they are rebagged? They are rebagged to prevent the contamination with other pollens and are allowed to develop the fruits. And this way the desired seeds are obtained. And this artificial hybridization has the advantage that it improves the quality of the crop with desired characteristics.